Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Grubhub's order. Watch the video till the end. To delete your Grubhub's order, firstly open your Grubhub application. The home page of Grubhub will appear on the screen. Tap on View Order on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, you can see that your order will be listed there. Swipe the order to the left side. You can see two options there. You can either edit or delete the order. Tap on Delete to remove or cancel the order. Tap on Remove for the confirmation, and that is how you can delete your Grubhub's order quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.